Most household cleaning products could damage your television, as these often contain alcohol, ammonia, or other chemicals. Here is how to clean your TV screen, without damaging it. Follow these steps to clean it safely and effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you need. The tools you need are a clean and dry microfiber cloth, little spray bottle, a drop of dish soap. Before you start cleaning your TV screen, turn off your TV and unplug it from the power outlet. This will prevent any electrical shock or damage to your TV. Use a microfiber cloth to easily remove any dust from your TV screen. It's gentle on the screen and won't scratch or damage it. Make sure the cloth is clean, dry, and free of any debris or dirt. Avoid using water or other liquids if possible. Window cleaners or all-purpose cleaners often contain chemicals that could damage the TV screen. If you need to use a cleaning solution, make sure it's specifically designed for cleaning TV screens or use our tip. 1 drop of dish soap mixed with cold water into a little spray bottle, for example an empty eyeglass bottle, will help to safely remove any fingerprints or stains from your flat screen. Using a dry microfiber cloth, gently wipe the screen in a circular motion. Be careful not to apply too much pressure or scrub the screen. If you encounter a stubborn stain or mark, try using a gentle touch and a little more pressure, but avoid using too much force. So always start with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any dust and only use very limited spray on fingerprints and stains. Don't just clean the screen, make sure to clean the edges of the TV as well. Dust can accumulate in these areas, and it can affect the image quality of your TV. If you have pets, keep them away from your TV screen. Pet hair and dander can get stuck to the screen, and it's difficult to remove. It's a good idea to clean your TV screen regularly to prevent buildup of dirt and dust. Aim to clean it once a week, or more frequently if you live in a dusty environment. Cleaning your TV screen is a simple task that can help maintain the quality of your device. Remember to use a clean microfiber cloth, avoid using water if possible, never use aggressive household cleaners and wipe the screen gently. By following these tips, you can keep your TV screen looking new and enjoy optimal viewing experience. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.